Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum is moving up in 5 waves. We talked about that in the previous video. We also seem to be getting this retracement we've been waiting for. So I did count this move from the low as a so-called 1-2 setup. They are good long trade setup. Now don't get me wrong. I'm not telling you to go long here. It depends on you, yeah. But based on the Elliott wave, if this setup works out, it is a really good one, right? Of course, you never know if it really works out, but these are the lowest risk, highest reward setups that you can get, a 1-2 setup, and this is actually the 1-2-1-2, which means we're already in the third wave in yellow, which means that a sort of uptrend has been confirmed to a certain degree. You can see that we actually broke out of this channel here a few days ago. Yeah, so we broke out. You can even move that a bit, lower to get more touch points. But the point is, we broke out of this channel and we might now just be retesting it from above and then move up. I showed you a few possible reversal signals to the upside. There is obviously the breakout of the channel, which we might just be retesting from above, which if successful could lead to a rally. Also, we've got this so-called inverse head and shoulders pattern. Yeah, where we have basically the neckline here around 12.14, or you could even say it's a bit of a range between 12.14 and 12.26. If we break out above that level, it could take us around $1,400 US. And from an Elliott wave point of view, yeah, it's basically that retracement we've been waiting for is happening. It is this wave 2. Ideally we move up from here. That would be the best case. Okay, because then I could say, okay, we found in this blue wave 2 support at the 61.8% fib level. And to be fair, we already see a bullish engulfing candle here, but it's not enough to really confirm support. If we go a bit lower, then ideally we're holding support at the 78.6% fib level at 1162. If we lose that and indeed also go below the yellow wave 2, then I would have to count this entire move up as a wave 1. Which is possible, yeah, but then I will have to look for support lower, but it would decrease the probability of actually generally finding support, yeah. So because we go back into the channel and it then gets a bit of a mess, but still we still have another chance to find support at 1105 and then to move up. So the current scenario I have here on the chart, with meaning a short-term uptrend, further uptrend, I won't get rid of until we break below 1105. So first 1-2-1-2. And then if that fails, the larger 1-2 setup. And then we could move up in a third wave to the upside, again to around maybe 1350 to $1,400 US in a wave 3. Now that would not necessarily be the super bullish scenario, but it would be embedded, that at least would be my first call in this wave 4, which means that the move that we've seen since the 9th of November was just a wave A, B, and C. And the C wave is a 5-wave move. Wave 1, basically here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, if we then hold a retracement and a certain support level, which I'm going to give you then, that would be a good signal that we're actually moving higher. And if we get these 5 waves in, yeah, then we can talk about a real low has been made and the low is probably already in. Then again, I would wait for the retracement and go in. I'm already long. I will get stopped out below $1,000, talked about that as well. So I'm happy if prices go up from here, even if it's only short term. So I can't rule out obviously lower prices from generally, but we use the $1,000 level to confirm or to determine if Ethereum is still in a larger bullish pattern or not. If it drops below $1,000, it won't be. Yeah, and then we look at prices all the way down to, well, let's say $650, maybe $880. Okay, and that's my update about Ethereum. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.